Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, whatever. It's your girl Sadora Paris. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. About to show y'all how I achieved this quick weave hairstyle. So I'm rocking this new do. I received these bundles from Ali Grace. You already know it's the time for bright colors, and I love this brand for that because their bundles dye very easily. So if you want to dye your bundles, if you want something easy to get to blonde, I definitely suggest Ali Grace. I received 3 bundles of Kinky Curly in the color black. You can dye them in 2 different ways. You can either comb out the curls, which is on the left side, or keep it as is, which is on the right side. Both dye very beautifully. It's just your comfort level and what you want to do. So I'm going to be using Quick Blue and 30 Volume Developer to get this color to where I need it to be. I'm just going to lift it a couple of levels and that's it. I'm not trying to do no platinum blonde at all. I still want a little bit of bronziness to it so we can get the exact red that I need. So this is how it's looking. Yes! I didn't want to leave it on for too long because I still wanted that bronzy color. Some things that you want to avoid: don't put the hair in the oven, don't put it in the microwave. Don't do none of that. I had to learn the hard way. I just wanted it to, develop faster, and that didn't work. So here I'm going to be doing the watercolor method, and that's when you just take your favorite colors and put it in water so it can give more of a softer look to your extensions. The color that I'm using is Adore, and that's in the color 71. This is such a beautiful red. Watch when you see it come out. It's beautiful. To preserve my edges and all the rest of my hair, I'm going to be using GS Hair Growth Oil throughout my whole entire scalp just to make sure that my hair is good. I definitely learned my lesson with me suffering from alopecia, from bald spots. I just need to make sure that my hair is protected and it's strong and it's growing super fast while doing these hairstyles. So again, I'm using GS Hair Growth Oil. So definitely check that out if you're suffering from anything, whether it's alopecia, slow hair growth, bald spots, hair thinning, you name it. There's plenty of before and after pictures on the website. I left all the information in the comment box below. So again, definitely check that out. Now, since I'm doing this quick weave, for further protection, I'm going to be using Protective Shield. You're going to want to put that all over you're going to want to put, hold on, wait a minute. I forgot to record how I put on the cap, but yeah, you're gonna be putting that all over your cap. No worries, I have a couple of videos on how I put the cap on, so I'll just link those videos in the description box below. So if you want something more detailed, just check out the description box. But yeah, anyway, put that all over your cap because that's gonna make sure your hair strands are protected. And now I'm gonna start gluing the tracks on. It's about damn time because your girl is tired and I just wanna, relax and enjoy my evening. So we need to speed this up. This hairstyle honestly didn't take much to do at all. It took about 2 bundles. And again, I love this company when it comes to dyeing hair because their hair dyes beautifully. You can see that this matches my hair to the T. So I'm super fortunate for that because sometimes it might take you a couple of times for you to get the right color. But thank God I got it on the first try. So I'm gonna unbraid everything, all my leave outs. I'm parting my hair down the middle. That's the style that I'm rocking. And then I'm gonna use mousse and gel so that I can have my hair texture blend with the texture of the bundles, okay? Again, I received the hair from Ali Grace. I left all the information in the description box below. Make sure to check them out. I love them when it comes to dyeing hair, and their hair bundles last a very long time and it doesn't shed. Definitely check them out. I left all the information for the hair growth oil in the comment box below as well. So check out all these products. They're dope. I use them all the time when it comes to quick weave, and let me know what you think about this hairstyle.